No, you're stopping, bro. You're stopping. You're stopping. Get out. Get out. No, we'll do it right here because you ran already. You ran already, so get out. You already ran once. I'm not having it again. Give me your insurance. Get your insurance out right now. No. I have it on camera. Get your insurance out right now. Get your insurance and I'll get mine out. I need your info right now. You hit me. You rear-ended me. That's your fault. Okay, get it out. Get your insurance out.